Okay, first we're going to whiz up our cream cheese and then add a couple of handfuls of mature cheddar cheese, cracker pepper and a little bit of salt. Give that a really good mix, and then next up is trying to get it inside our chilies. Now this can be a bit of fun, so I tend to use the back of a teaspoon, which helps kind of jam it all in there. Anyway, once that's done, get yourself some streaky bacon, cut it in half and wrap each one individually. And then my piece de resistance, I'm just going to give them a little bit of a sprinkle with some onion powder. Just adds a little bit of kind of umami to them, which is absolutely incredible. Okay, let's get these on a rack and then put them in the oven at about 200 degrees until they look like this. Might as well go for the killer one. Banging. Not too crazy heat because it was de-seeded, but absolutely delicious. That's a step up from a jalapeno popper for sure. I'm going to do a lot more of them next time.